Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Carl. We have Pure Aggression on 2+2. I just want to go over eating healthy. In poker, your main tools are, of course, money and your brain. So, you want to feed your brain as much nutrition as possible, eat as clean as possible so you can think your best and make the best decisions. So, I just wanted to give you guys a quick recipe. I'm trying to eat a lot better this year and just lot more fruits, vegetables. Cut out, the junk food. Cut out the fast food and soda. So here's a salad I like to make. Start out with some baby spinach, and we've got some kale here. Got some iceberg lettuce. Drop some of that in there. Got some blueberries. Very good for you. So antioxidants. Got pineapple, a little pre-cut pineapple. And got some peanuts, a little protein. Almonds. Cashews. Love cashews. And some avocado. Very good, got some healthy fat. So, yeah, this year I'm giving up soda. Used to drink a lot of soda, but that's so bad for you. Lots of sugar, and it's just no health benefits whatsoever. So I'm switching over to tea, and I just love the taste of tea. It's good for you, no sugar. It's got antioxidants, and there's lots of different flavors too. So if you get tired of one kind of tea, there's plenty. There's green tea, black tea, gray tea, all sorts of tea. But if you eat healthy, you're definitely gonna think a lot better, and be sure to stay hydrated as well. It's gonna help your brain. And yes, treat your body like a temple, and you'll see. So I'm sure you're gonna see some improvements in your poker game. And like with habits, it's a lot of people for New Year's, they make resolutions, but best way to kick a bad habit is to start replace it with a good habit. So in the past I've told myself, oh, don't eat fast food, don't eat junk food, but now I'm just being proactive and replacing bad habits with good habits, and you stick to it for a few days, yeah, you'll feel a lot better, a lot healthier. So that's it. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.